It is 3 a.m. The world is silent. And suddenly, your cat jumps on you. Stares at you. Me was like something is wrong. But nothing is wrong. Where is it? Because what your cat is actually doing at 3 a.m. might reveal something far deeper about its brain, its instincts, and its connection with you. Most people think their cat is just being annoying, random, disruptive. But here is the truth. Cats do not do anything randomly. Every behavior is driven by biology, by instinct, by patterns built over thousands of years of evolution. So when your cat wakes you up at 3 a.m., it is not a mistake. It is a signal. The question is, what exactly are they trying to tell you? Section 1. The hunter's clock. Cats are naturally crepuscular animals. This means they are most active during dawn and dusk. From an evolutionary perspective, this is when prey is easiest to catch. Small animals move at low light. And cats evolved to hunt in these exact conditions. Real-life example. At 3 a.m., your house is quiet. Lights are off. Your cat's brain thinks it is hunting time. But here is the strange part. Your cat has no prey. So instead, it turns to the only moving thing in its world. You. Section 2. The internal body clock. Cats have a strong internal rhythm. Their brain follows a biological clock, similar to humans, but slightly shifted. From a neuroscience standpoint, their circadian rhythm pushes them to wake up before sunrise. Real-life example. Your cat wakes up at almost the same time every night, even without an alarm. But here is what most people do not realize. If you feed your cat early in the morning, its brain starts linking waking you up with food. It learns. Wake human equals food reward. Section 3. Learned behavior and reinforcement. Cats are extremely good at learning patterns, especially when rewards are involved. From a behavioral science perspective, this is called reinforcement. Real-life example. Your cat wakes you up. You get up and feed it. That single action trains your cat. But here is the shocking part. Even negative attention works. If you push your cat away or talk to it, your cat still gets a response. And in its brain, that response is a success. Section 4. Attention and social bonding. Cats are more social than people think. They form bonds. And they seek interaction. From a psychological perspective, waking you up can be a way to reconnect. Real-life example. Your cat sits on your chest, looks at your face, touches you gently. But here is the deeper meaning. At night, your cat feels your absence. You are still, quiet, unresponsive. So it checks if you are there. If you are alive. If the bond still exists. Section 5. Energy buildup. Cats sleep a lot. But they do not sleep like humans. Their sleep is broken into cycles. From a biological standpoint, this creates bursts of stored energy. Real-life example. Sudden running, jumping, or zoomies at night. But here is the unexpected part. If your cat is not stimulated enough during the day, all that energy builds up. And it explodes at night. At 3 a.m. Section 6. Environmental triggers. Your home changes at night. Sounds become clearer. Small movements become noticeable. From a sensory system perspective, cats detect things humans cannot. Real-life example. A small insect. A distant noise. Movement outside the window. But here is the twist. What wakes your cat might be completely invisible to you, yet very real to them. Your cat waking you up at 3 a.m. is not random. It is instinct. It is learning. It is biology in action. A hunter with no hunt. A brain wired for patterns. A creature trying to connect. And when you understand this, the behavior stops feeling annoying and starts making sense. So next time your cat wakes you up at 3 a.m., do not just react. Observe. Because your cat might not be disturbing your sleep. It might be revealing how its world really works. Tell me in the comments. What does your cat do at night? And if you want to understand your cat on a deeper level, subscribe. Because the more you understand them, the closer you become.